Welcome to our video about the beautiful Hibiscus Mutabilis, also known as the Confederate rose or cotton rose. In this video, we'll explore the stunning cup-shaped flowers of this hardy plant and learn about its fascinating color-changing characteristics. From its showy blooms to its ability to thrive in hot and dry climates, the Hibiscus Mutabilis is truly a wonder to behold. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this journey into the world of this magnificent flowering plant. Here I am sharing the pictures of this flower as seen from the backyard where I reside in India. Hibiscus Mutabilis, also known as the Confederate rose or cotton rose, is a type of hibiscus plant that is native to China and parts of Asia. It is a deciduous shrub or small tree that can grow up to 15 feet tall and wide. The most notable feature of the Hibiscus Mutabilis is its large, showy flowers, which can be up to 6 inches in diameter. The flowers are cup-shaped and have overlapping petals that can range in color from white to pink to deep red, and even a combination of these colors. The flowers also change color as they mature, starting off white or pink and gradually deepening in color until they are a deep red or burgundy. The Hibiscus Mutabilis is a hardy plant that is relatively easy to care for, preferring well-drained soil and full sun to partial shade. It is also tolerant of drought and heat, making it a popular choice for landscaping in hot, dry climates. In addition to its ornamental value, the Hibiscus Mutabilis has also been used for medicinal purposes in traditional Chinese medicine. The plant is said to have properties that can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and promote relaxation.
Here are some common names for the Hibiscus Mutabilis flower. 1. Land lotus. 2. Sthala padma in India. 3. Cotton rose mallow. 4. Dixie rose mallow. 5. Confederate rose hibiscus. 6. Cotton hibiscus. 7. Dog putin. 8. Confederate rose. 9. Cotton rose. 10. Mallow rose. 11. Changeable rose. 12. Double rose of Sharon. 13. Common hibiscus. 14. China rose. 15. Rose of Althea. 16. Rose mallow. 17. Flor de Jamaica in Spanish-speaking countries. 18. Bunga raya in Malaysia and Indonesia. 19. Dahonghua in China.
We hope you enjoyed learning about the fascinating Hibiscus Mutabilis flower. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos about the wonders of nature. Thank you for watching.